Ready to skyrocket your Snapscore and become a Snapchat superstar? Alright, step 1, sending snaps. This is the bread and butter. Don't just send one snap a day. Aim for multiple, even throughout the day. Think quick, fun, and visually engaging snaps. Batch sending is key. Select multiple friends when you send a snap. This multiplies the points you receive for each snap sent. The more, the merrier, and the higher your score climbs. Receiving snaps is just as important as sending. Encourage your friends to send you snaps. To a back and forth exchange is Snapchat Score Gold. Reply to your friend's snap and keep the conversation going. Next, engage with Snapchat stories. Watching your friend's stories earns you points, and posting your own can encourage others to view and interact with your content. Don't forget the Discover page. Exploring content from publishers and creators counts toward your score. Spend a little time each day browsing and watching videos. Utilizing Snapchat chat can also help, while text messages don't directly boost your snap score like snaps do. Actively engaging in conversations makes you a more active user, encouraging others to send you snaps in return. And there you have it, a few simple steps to dramatically increase your snap score. Now go out there, snap like a pro, and watch those numbers climb. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips.